So we've taken the bus this morning from Orahovac, where our village is, to Perast. Bus drops you off at the top of the hill, making our way down to the foreshore. So Kotor is down there to the right, past that big cruise ship. Our village is to the left of the screen. And, beautiful little waterfront area here. It's very nice. Right, we're going to walk back up this way. It's the St. Nicholas Church. Plants growing out of the top of it. This is definitely a fancier, more expensive village. Expensive looking hotels and breakfast bars and things. About to the left here, that's St. George Island, or St. George Church on that island there, and to the right is Our Lady of the Rocks. And you can take boats out there, go and have a look around. So we followed the map routing to the top of the hill, onto the main road to try and get to the church and a viewpoint, but it wasn't the brightest idea. There's no footpaths up here. The road's pretty narrow. Oh, that might be the church just there though, so I think we're close. That's the church there. Okay, I came back up those steps. It wasn't down there. Well, maybe it is, but we'll try again in a minute. Came back up to try and see the viewpoint first. I think this is it here. We're on a private parking spot. Certainly stunning. Okay, take two on going down to the church. Okay, I think that was right. I think we're in the right spot. Possibly the church access there, I don't know. Let's have a look. Lady of the Rosary. So you can look inside the church, but you can't go inside. It's tiny. More steps down. Carrying on down. So we've come down the eastern end of the town now. It's certainly a bit quieter. Not so many tourist shops and things down here. It's very nice.